Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a on-screen keyboard not working in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. After that go to your accessibility, scroll down and click on a keyboard, and after doing this step turn on screen keyboard. The second method is that in the search box type of services, open a services. After doing this step find out a touch keyboard and handwriting panel services, open it, change manual to automatic, click apply, click OK and restart the services. After that close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your personalization. After doing this state, click on a touch keyboard. After doing this state, scroll down, click on open keyboard. Now close it and close it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.